So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. This is the end of DoorDash. Whoa, this actually could be the end of DoorDash.
Yeah, so Uber and Instacart formed an alliance, and they're trying to take down DoorDash.
That's insane.
This came out yesterday.
Yeah, guys, if you're a DoorDash driver, you could be losing your job very, very soon because Uber and Instacart are teaming up.
Wow.
That's kind of interesting that they're teaming up.
Yeah.
Huh.
So Instacart is now offering restaurant delivery through Uber Eats on its app.
I honestly feel like Instacart and Uber Eats are like the same freaking thing. Like they
Yeah.
all just pick up stuff from place and then go, like, what's the difference at this point? Because you can get groceries through Uber Eats easily.
Yeah, and it's saying this is how Instacart is expanding its business beyond grocery delivery.
Oh, they're doing restaurant. Why don't they just add restaurants in their app? Why do they have to go through Uber Eats to do that?
I don't know. I guess, did Uber buy Instacart, or they're just like joining together, or what? Like, I don't know.
Maybe Instacart, like they just want to get all the partnerships like quickly instead of reaching out to the restaurants themselves.
Yeah.
The partnership represents a threat to DoorDash, Uber CEO Koshasari told Bloomberg. Yeah, this is where his true colors come out. He goes, yeah, we're going to take over. We're going to build an empire. It's also the latest way that Instacart is expanding business beyond grocery delivery. We already saw that. You can now get restaurant takeout through Instacart thanks to a new partnership with Uber Eats. Oh, that's exactly what we needed. One more freaking app to get restaurant delivery. There's only 7 of them so far. We needed an 8th one.
Yeah.
How many are there? There's DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates,
Grubhub,
DoorDash. Did I already say DoorDash?
I know there's more.
Deliveroo is another one. There's like, I don't know. There's so many at this point.
Yeah. Oh, users. What?
Are you gonna read this?
Yeah. Okay, users of Instacart Plus, the company's paid subscription service, will get free delivery on restaurant orders over $35.
So comment below, do you think this is gonna end DoorDash? You could say that we're a threat to DoorDash, both independently and teaming up as well, Uber CEO said. Yeah, comment below your thoughts, guys.